So as far as garage door openers, there are a numerous amount of different brands, styles, whether they be chain drive, belt drive, screw drive, side mount units, most of which we do have a lot of options for repair. Depending on the age and the manufacturer, of course, we do try to recommend replacement just so that you don't have future issues. We mainly deal with belt drive motors because they are very quiet and very reliable. You know, the different range of options from our own private labeled brand, which is a PDS 801. We do have an upgraded option that has Wi-Fi, so you can actually hook your phone up to it through an app and operate the door. We do also offer LiftMasters, all of which have that app capability, but those also come with a battery backup, so you can operate your garage door if you ever lose power. And I also have a camera mounted on the bottom. So through that app that you are using to open and close the garage door, you do have visual access to see if your garage door is physically open or not. And you can use that app from anywhere in the world as long as your house has Wi-Fi.